Ibweka sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na muthikiri wa Thiri FM bitikiri ngwatogeni hakiri mubango joto jwa rumuriro siasa ogoroba narwa kurikanirwa rene tariki 26 mweri ni jo muwanje mwaka wa 2026 na kire kiyomi kya mwisho akiri mweri jo ni tone ni bwega twethe twikarande twaranirie na tuchokanirie nikienda tumba kutha tukimenya mantu jaraja twegie turi a Meru na kinya ndene nthiguru yetu yonthe ya Kenya tukwe narwa tuketha twina mantu ja kathomba tuketha tukiariria mantu ya state launch irekwirwa igo kwaja kaunti ya Meru tuketha tukiariria mantu ya airstrip tuketha tukiariria mantu ya golf course na kinya siasa in general dene kaunti Meru na kinya ome ya kaunti ya Meru ndina agini bakwa kathomba marandi na bontu kwenaro na batu ketha tukiaranire nabo ankethra nkiba introduce kiwe ni kendo kwamba kwithirwa kibamenya na twita na mbere kwithirwa tukiaraniria lakini ngurikanira ombe kwithirwa gitwata rutererwa Facebook Meru TV Kenya rutererwa YouTube Meru TV Kenya na wenda kwithirwa gintumira SMS kwina namba idene screen yaku ya 07489891 ukomba kwithirwa kiaraniria na batu moja kwa moja kwina kiuria wina kio kwenda kwithirwa kiuria tala mbarandi na bontu kwenarwa bila shaka nombe kwithirwa kiboria through that number no ntumire SMS no ntumire rutererwa WhatsApp na bila shaka kwamba kwithirwa nkiwata SMS in na nkenda kwithirwa ngikurikania twi Bezarel hotel rutererwa gikomene au ni tukuijira imwe kwa imwe kwenarwa na ibwega sana kinyabo no tuba kutu host na kwithirwa bagitwa kanya tumba kwithirwa tukira kwenarwa kwa hivyo karibuni sana na kiri audience brandi na kinyabo karibuni sana ndeni ya mubango juni kenda tugeta na mbere kwithirwa tukiaraniria kwa hivyo kethirwa nkiaya na kanya kwa daiki mwake babure marieto tuambirie the farthest corner Rick.
Good evening mugeni amarito betoga Eric Kimathi nimeshukuru sana for the opportunity kuja kuga na Meru witwa mbere kwa ndigoro. Thank you.
Okay, Eric Kimathi, political analyst. Karibu sana mami.
Mugeni atigeri ba Meru TV onathikiria ba Thiri FM na kinya baratu na bwaja oninge chakwa Ruth Kawira kirigia na ibwega ntu bakwe wakanya gaka twija kwariria mantu ja mazingira na inkuduganya narua tukakunura Meru meva na matona maduganya nikienda tumba kumenyera rera yetu na jaraja tuthiurukirite bwega.
Asante sana. Madam ethero ari mantu jegie rera kana kumenyera mantu ja rera akethirwa akibutariria rera urari batere kwithirwa arigita na mbere kumenyerwa akana kethira maybe mantu jeje karika je bugi kana kethira jate bugi. Karibu sana.
Ya dikeria ba Thiri FM na tegeri ba Meru TV na audience baratu nabo good evening marito betwatanira Salesu.
Asante sana Salesu human rights activist. Karibu sana.
Mugeni antu betu ba Meru nakinya baraba tutegete na araba tutegete bari iri Meru wimbi twana nikino tinto marete ya aspirant wa gitiki ya gavana ndene ya county yetu ya Meru na nguchokeria murunga no tuboyeta na daro opportunity chepe ya kumba kwarania na betu na kuga umenabo
kabisa
mantu jegie rera na yaja angita kumira ki waria retu rantu kwa narwa bachokeria nkatho muno ndu bakutha bakarindi batutegerete
kabisa
kenda tumba kwarania na ingwitikia boria biuria tukombo chokia na njira ya girite ni uraka kuona nyaka ko tukirire ara kuja lakini uteuno ndu wabira bitono no kwa guru ahora kuira wa tuwakai tujokai ya tuwakai ntigire au.
Okay.
Marito betu Patricia Gaki mbumete Bori constituency na demereria matagete kwa women representative Meru County na inkuwewe kaunti kwa Meru TV ko tuleta aja tuwale mantuja conservation na panelist spread and nabo inkuwa appreciate sana nyapa abibura tubogo to follow tukuwa appreciate sana na ingwetika na very good conversation candid and very honest
Kabisa.
yes.
Asante sana. Chief of Staff, karibu sana.
Ibaya sana. Marito yako betwa Arun Mutwiri Abwana, Chief of Staff wa County Government of Meru. Leto ngoreto ni His Excellency the Isaac Mutuma Twedingia. Na mbwe kinyawoni ngorito muno kujumuika mona atongoria bankona panelists bagitejo muno barabari ba most of them achore bakwa. Na woni kinyani I can't wait kuona nkilebe ye na arua kuona it is in another level.
Kabisa.
I really look forward. Asante.
Asante sana Chief of Staff. Ibwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na muthikiri wa Thiri FM. Tororikie kuigwa ipo na list bara tuketha tuni na bona bando tuna audience bara kethira bakiuria biuri bila bakwenda kuthira bakiuria on behalf ya mwananchi wa kawaida na ituko kari tuthira tuni na PS wa Mito bwana Gitonga lakini atema bakwithira agikinya no ntuba gitomi kimwe kana kira kingi indi tugete na mbere kwithira tukira ni no ntu amwa yoyonde thirikari represented ani bwana Chief of Staff na tugeta na mbere kwa tukiaraniria Kilimantu jajo kwa hivyo karibuni sana na ngurikani okairiwe tena mbere kuthura na ndio gitutumira SMS ya kurutero Facebook Meru TV Kenya rutero YouTube Meru TV Kenya na Kenya dene ya SMS 07489191 dene screen yaku nikienda tena mbere kuthurwa tukiaraniria na bila shaka ngutike tugeta bwega na nigitoro yakwa ukambita Jerry Wacheupe. Na kwa hivyo ni rwaria muthikiria na mutegeri wa Meru TV rwethirito rugita na mbere teka rwari rwegoro kana rwantu kuijire kana kiumi kimwe rwari rwethirito rugita na mbere ituige mwanya kuma kire ya Kariba Meru na ituigitwe kwina bakwenda project ira sumbite kwithirikire tondene county ya Meru ni thirikari kuri bate ucienda na ikyo gitumi twintu kwa narwa twithirito turia ngenda tukaraniria na tukamenya ni kibara bate kwenda ni kibakwenda na mwananchi wa Meru ni bia ku benefit kana kugunika na bio kiri project cionthe na nipo ntu tuna expert mwanya nikienda baketha bagitweresera mantu jo jonde no ntu wira wa ukare akwelezwa utimenya kwa hivyo no mwanka Meru bombe kutha bakielezwa pengine kinya baraba kurea no belezo na arua bakenda so withdraw boy tuned in nikienda tumba kutha tugita na mbere na rwaria ru ni rwaria rwethere rukiambiriria as a promise kuma kiri president na gavana wetu wa Meru Mutuma Ntwethinkia na nande ndoka karite yaka promise yura ability kwithirwa ya ikiujurwa kinyigethire kurari na kwithirwa kwina challenges hapa na pale na mantu jari nomba kwithwa jakirungi kwa lakini antu kwena arua tukariri mantu juni kienda tukona nande tukinyite ariku na ara tukinyitire Meru ibanganiri kana batenganiri tuketha tugitegera mantu jonde karibuni sana kwa hivyo tukiambiriria tukomba kwithwa tukiambiriria Gavana itonera rungama kabisa kidete kabisa na akiwa ya kwamba no mwanka state lounge no mwanka airstrip no mwanka Mantujege golf course yombe kudura ya kijendene county ya Meru Meru ibapokere mantujara ibapokere na jira positively na kuibangi bareganira mantujara uwe uri representative wa government can you kindly auto clarify kidogo state lounge kana project hicho ndio idatu na teguguna Meru wa kawaida.
Thank you very much, Didi. Na panelist wenzangu na watongaji bangi. Uni waronga ndikuwa mitwaru mtutwiri. Bwana, Chief of Staff, na uni kwenda kuwa. Pia vyo tumangavana ibwa excitement kana kuwirwa. Kutuko maendeleo ya kwa ile big picture. Kana mantu yaikuwa teke mu Meru. State logic kwa Meru. Hiyo kumaanisha mbiki mu Meru. Kwa hiyo tuna ya strip yetu Meru. What does that mean to us? Na Kinyanga, of course. Ndenda kwa na few examples. Kwa hiyo twari Nairobi tuna kiatokea Kimiru Institute, ngido yetu hadi by His Excellency Keleto Murongi, no chairman wa Kimiru Institute in branch within Kemu, Kenya Methodist University. Kwa hiyo twari na kind of launch dinner arako to Nairobi Club. Na itwari na PS Mugambi wishi Kemu. PS Gitonga Mugambi atwira kwa brother wewe wari involved in a road accident mutindoko. Na tura mtu uwe etetheka kithe kombere kwa evacuate ndio tutamendiko evacuation ya ndege lakini ndo bora kwa karika circumstances we lost him, he's not there. Mheshimiwa Keleto Murongi na turenya wewe ngwa kuria watu airuwe nkubu kwawe areya aibo na ibo Meru kwina kare naga kare kwa tupu edere wochimani wipo ibaingire na bati admiti ni district is like a clinic. Then etanara Meru level 5 nara stabilizer alafu kwa ambulance leta Nairobi hadi Meto Nairobi hospital mwadhani ya mtadiacho. So kako kuwa then when investors there was a time to arena the moment and one of the second employer for the government of Kenya. When not arena Meru University. So he ended where an helicopter kende muleta Meru. Lakini kende kwina maybe an airstrip we muleta and many other big investors baratu kumeambia value kili community yetu. Nende kwa mantia it means a lot to us. One time window mo babeta 60,000 muno kinyasi kinya muno sakana. One day torari ne chaka. and they were expensive rooms there na nyama utatoranywa. So that means what happens how state house operate remember kwendra antu mumete Turkana county antu Vilinyanya betite kona president antu bau bakero president ya Meru kwa mfano there ari na mantu area wena state lodge ni not bina hali wita no twena kwa wako kurara no kumenya antu baba kari route state house controller bakero iteni Meru state lodge ku president ya be ya Meru nyabo ba kombra ko kurara antu Vilinyanya ukari manje antu barabe na ngadi tu o manedi gariri ka foro Meru tenda chumbo chokana ko at the end of the day kankwenda kuwa what that means to the economy iwe kamanisha a lot to our economy back to baraba angina bo bena madhwani and different bare jira atwa ya muno barenda kuona lebo kaba kutetera mazingira kinyako which is a very good idea wende umwe wa that lipo mazingira mwaka kambiri nye simbi yo ya kurura mazingira kuanda miti I even sponsor from my own pocket to weta kuanda miti na nkaodia volunteers tukaanda miti. The idea is this. The idea is this true is a good idea kutetera miti lakini kule hapa kwenda kwa kutumira wewe mbeti ya kisiasa na kudivine kinya Meru zaidi na kuona ni ya ikidoni destruction ya kepo destroy mazingira tenda kuwa it is true mazingira ya bati kumenyero nyodo miti tatu ikaitwa au ni bati kwa andu wengi tandatu even more kenda kwithira kuyo bungi kwa mfano ya strip saindire kubwithwa ya ikidoni na ya strip isaindi kinye tikaina miti mingi ya search na ya strip iji that's why nkuaringa wish piesa akethirwa aria ya strip iji thwe kimanage wa Kenya Forest Service KFS na KFS ikethwe na nya pounder ya kuoria mwanki ya ku protect mitho yetu but the same ya strip ikethwe open to the public kenda public bomba ku kinyabo mitumira dira investor pa kwenda kunya Meru haraka na kule antu batiomba kudia safari tu ita Nairobi ya madhata ndatu kana madhata 5 many people may not find it very viable untubunge these are all things that are ending up kututethia Meru yetu kwa city kankwenda bora that is moving forward na my other point Njeri maendeleo ya mwe yara antu bakula they may not look very likeable and I am telling you the truth demwe kwina umabura umba kwira antu buka very painful na kwira ko tuika it is very easy kuinsight antu no bakani against kintu ikea. I don't give an example mukuro na kwetu wetu antu idai around itera mukoloni Ameru nyabo ibekara mikathi just like urona Masai na Samburu baikira mikathi ongiri kingo nende ntoidai kuma sub chief itera mukoloni achemania wewe na mikathi ngiri nkingo ameita na kuchambura kibobo nende atuba mwarito ntomurita kwa ntomurita akura na mikathi na batu nyomwina ntomurita kura na mikathi ntomurita kura na mikathi but okay akona it became very unpopular but at the end of the day ntomurita was doing the right thing because puritanto mikatheu I can assure you my sister when mikathi ngiri yao around your neck it is not easy for you to wash that area properly. So you can be assured kwena nyankongo ni rungu ariko nanda na niko nyotharike ku kuka kwenda kuwa kwigurito an enemy of the people. An enemy of the people imukuru wenda kwira antu uma muno na mukuru wantu ba insaito muno against him but kwena uma awa kuka kwenda kuwa under the kwena antu bakwenda tumire political bait. It is unfortunate. The truth of the matter community yetu ni kunini to be beyond na mazingira nao yetu na maendeleo yoyo on yetu it will have a lot of impact. Kwa mfano golf when during checking golf challenge yetu ochedhunya another county well during checking belongs to Meru. So there are many other good things which come along with more benefits to our people that can really shape up state logic and kanto mana mwanja. That is progress.
Takibange takiamonko ulikyo moya tukuibwa kuna advantages sia into be beyond it. But at the same time chief it na ndiwo hatachogere kyo rigeno ndo PS atikinyire it antoba ingeti kapa koreana na mirandi iji antoba ingeti kapa ku arewekwa nyo bate gwitikaniria naku. Don't you think maybe thirikari ikithikira wananchi nkuruki pengine baka consider gweka intobia kuntu kungi nara gutena miti gutweka mitete kuitangwa nkuruki ya weka kire the only muitu jura jure ndene town yetu Meru
kubaya sana nende deda kuwa baraba kuwa mitho neko destroy wa I wish kuna time tueta utukuliunga sakana state lodge tukonoreka ndendo kwira state lodge ithrekari umwe eco lodge ni lodge ngiko with mwitone ina without interfering muno nambi na ecosystem ya nature nonto rero kukia kurara kuntu ku that forest nonto ayi baba ngi tourist mlibendete kuntu ku bendete eco lodge nonto bo freshness irere nonto ba miti. So ndenda kuwa kinyoka kwithirwa miti kaitwa miti mikai muno maybe irire kithoyo kwa nyumba Okay, wait on those kind of state laws. You will see very many trees. In Nairobi, you will have that area on there. Nende kwa wane ndo ndo moru. No bona. Nende no still kuna endelea kumeka within the Katwari. Why is the county government of Meru based in Mutindwa and not in Moru? It is because of yes centrality ambi ya kosabu ya Meru bonde. Kenda Mumero ke umete goji. Mumero umete ntubeto ekyo. No bona. So that is again the same idea. Denda kwa interference yayo, it is very minimal and nayomba kwa mitigated very well.
Okay, thank you. Patricia, tukija kiwano kwenda giteke women rep tunaenda igwa kiuga na okethro ru ongozi in one way or the other. Kire weno karia mutongeria na okijali maslahi ya wananchi. Do you think project hiji ni sije na benefit maybe ya wananchi? Dirikari ni consider everything ere kwendeka kwa considered bereveka kana what do you think as a leader?
That's a very good question. Tiganso kiaza kile chief of staff. Auga turiaka state lodge ikenda anto beta over 6,000. Realistically speaking, iwananchi bangana bakinya state house. Ibangana. True. Oga kinyero. True. Ore mantu ja play golf. Realistically speaking, iya Meru bangana bomba kuita ku play golf. Basically, you are doing projects for the elite, but you do not care about the common Meru person. Let's start with here, where we are now. Ibangana bomba kuita ku play golf. Ibangana bomba in a lifetime back in a state house, it is almost impossible. So let's start with the leadership that we have now. Take out to projects. We are not refusing projects. But first, let's ask ourselves, these leaders who are putting up these projects, do we even believe in them? Untonaro bagatwera turigita kasehemu ka 50 acres. Weta go follow later 100 acres. Then another time it's 200 acres. Alafu tokaka will only use 50 acres for the state lodge and the airstrip. Then the other 150 acres, so basically we are saying, but it is only fair that the common mwananchi is involved. Nande that from the public participation area too, but later, after Antuba Kudinga Getuma, Boganeke Bogwaka, the court cases are there, even after the court cases, but the buildings are still going on. So realistically speaking, we have a problem even with the leadership. You want to do something for me? No matter how good it is, but before you have been stealing from me, you have been victimizing me. No matter how good that project is, I will not even accept, because I'm not even sure what's in it for you. It's not for us, the common mwananchi. It is not for us. It is what's in it for the elite. What will they benefit from it? If they are
why do you think maybe it's not genuine?
It is not genuine. My dear, it is not genuine, because the leadership that we have now, is it even genuine? Let's start from there.
Trust in the leadership?
No. We don't trust them, because the court, don't. In the morning, it took some bloggers, but very well, then you continue. That means we don't even believe in the leadership that is having these projects for us. So if you don't believe in your leadership, even your projects, don't believe in them. Okay. Because Bogaka, 50 acres, alafu, 100 acres, we go nande, is yetere nangania, and then another acres, 50, is yetere nangania, and then after 5 years, we are leaving no forest even for our children.
Okay.
Selfish leadership.
Okay, thank you. Katu zake wako na JR. Chief ngote kinoko maki kiuriki wa mchokirika yo mchokire baadaye. Bana JR nuko ndetiki ngabana in Meru. Maybe okay akodro rira to ni ngabana ora urikurai you could have done the same. No to kirabu kwenda maybe maendeleo ya wananchi na kintu kirake kafaindi Meru as a whole. kiaku na tuwe for example na ndio jukitie majukumu jo jari mongone jo ako kana itrone biaku why don't you think kana uridogania mirangi hizi itutethia mero kana ni gutethia mero because in one way or the other uteke ndokete advantage yake no uteke ndokete disadvantage yake project hizi in one way or the other ikareta maendeleo yewe wa chifu akiariria na saindi ingi nero mwana icho na kuibo kwinao akola kana kuivyo akoinyirwa na terere muko ugo kari ya motongerio mero don't you think maybe kana mero kapa na that culture ya maybe kurega project it's ya mero bakarega no to maybe kuna pressure political pressures and then haraka na what is not happening in mero
onda tigo ndista ntira iwa monoja raja go uga mudia ndati gwara kwa akaya kwithro yoni gavana no undithia yoni ntithio kutekia makiringwa mbithirwa ngitaga gitati na ndu bare otongere that is becoming a ruler na oni ndikarange choka ile mutira maingi mono me I believe I'm a leader those are two different ne antu baire tofauti madam Cheupe na it is very unfortunate yes aregere kweja muntu to be very sincere and with all due respect to my brother bugani trajectory ira mbithero ndino mathogani na jakwa mpenda kuria itawate yosi ongo baradi ongo no to that is the only way that mbuga mubiru akona the answer but no to ale aja mbuga omba kwithoya na old briefs no to kiuria kia mbere kabisa iguo karajaga kwina little contradiction PS na governor ministry yewe ikauga barienda gwaka kieni ya kuoria mwangi actually that is what they said right wenyande kuigwa na ni auga baketha bena powder cia kuoria mwangi and all those kind of things nande no tuteka tutea Kenya na tuiba Kenya indegana Kenya Forest Services by Chio nande mukomya ketha ono kalio aringe twira oni nkawera beka ndege kamwaki a caravan a 12 seater teka kuoria ndege teka kuoria mwangi kamwe ga caravan yu inge chio the helicopter ira betha bena chio bate ndege ye fleet tu bena ndege 15 kana 20 ingona kuona kugo kwenda kuria kiuria mbuga lakini akoria baadaye baketha bena ndege nyingi tuomba ku understand ura mtu ugaga isa sawa ndege yu chiguchuirwa ara chikagitate number 2 kwina sheria ira tuikite ndege yu chiongwa yu bena chio cha Kenya Forest Service chimanija kwa Kenya Defence Forces KDF Juma Wilson ira nyingi ino chira chi maintain nairo it's a department ya government ira chi maintain nande the question here is kiuria kira tuina kio kabisa iboya kama mono twithiro twina airstrip nete thuki withiro twina airstrip lakini twachuria no mwanka ithiro witune no tuge no ithiro mwitune ukethera KFS bena chionde geu bakwenda chithiro chi mwitune lakini tuketha tukiarairia mantu jegi advantage woni ndajua nkomba kuthuta ndege mbite Nairobi nontu mbuga ni nkomba kiuria kirambwiri gwitho angichura ya igiki imbi na thina no na hospitali cha mutindwa kethro mbugi gwita kuthithirwa Nairobi na ugwe munene ugwitwa gavana okinengarwa bilioni 14 igwo bwiri kwithwo giakikisha kai nkumba kuthithirwa ora mwana kugitate ojora tora yinya national government imbi tuma muntu ekirwa ndege na ikitwe India etite kurigitwa na baatu yetu is also a government like government ya India it is easy actually to import those people kuja kiriba utwe nkurukie ba utu kukamata muajie mono ja betu ba miru baba kuinye wikanza mono tuiketie India it becomes very expensive na ndeka nchokie mandu jege state lodge ja airstrip jau I can actually even tell you na imbugite ukairi na ndeka nkwendete na ni ethro yake ndaturania mia maflyer na kwanje nya speciality ya kwati unene itoto nini bakwenda kuja kugitate orientation yeyo nonto I was there mbere bambye kuingantu nonto bambirio medithia Cheupe teka ugati story cha kugitabura nera muntu akinya kauga kinya tware mwa guitetera murungu agatutetera at some point agatutetera nonto nandi atokaugate orientation yeyo mbere ma technically it is wrong batu rugo rwetu rurutana rumete rwa gaiti ruitetie barugo
na urenyo more yaki ukeja kwitha kwi muntu thingatite research athithite research winya ya Isiolo achiuri mbie tuma ya Isiolo irema na ni ethithirwe ni kirate ni ethira uni ngeja kwitha ndi mwene ndege teka yuma chiringi 200,000 cha Toyota ndege ina mbete cia kithumba ndi mwene ndege ngejo tegera nkona ndaikia ndege ekwanto ana ikigwa emini igiukira yomba gwitirie gurure antu ikeja kuremo igwita ikenda ochoke tio na guchokera iketio na kugatira aya ngachoka ngategera nkona mbuga inyegitarira nkerwa ndithie ngitwita holding kweoiro othiurunke amo mbuga uketha kwina ndege ingi kana nya uketha kwina mburi kana ng'ombe runway no tujana ni ukumba kutha ukari wikinya kwingirwa mburi menya teko kethwo pakite ndege rugone teka kwina okethwo hold wete othiurunka somewhere weterete kwewa nini egwita kugita kuland na ndi ukeja kwithirwo ukathiurunka ukithiurunkire ruire na aria ukija wijire mutindwa uthiurunkire kemu na mire yani holding area is a well built up area mwene ndege atega akona at the end of the day antu aja te aega wiki ndege ekwa so ikyo kitu mamwe Isiolo no runway na ndore dithitwe no runway turana na reciprocals kethira ndeja na rutere ruru rira rugo rukurutana na ndege ndomba kuya ndege rurutana na the opposite side kana roingia na the other side ketha urona ka windi sokara ketha gekiria riko kaditamina na riria air strip nyo to kuiraga we cleared at Quran na runway 012 kana the other one igwengo witagaira no to ugiflyaga na metho tumita VFR visual flying rules and instrument flying igwengo keja wejo gitanirie ge air strip ono tengondu irio temburi irio alafu twaraia na polisi riu twaraia na polisi gutithero kwina ini ubatinda utwira tukaandikirwa kinyantu bokaro there is nobody will be employed there in an air strip actually twaraia na police station waraia na police station ibo wira na ala witite kulana
so urenda kumaanisha air strip basically utantu bakethero baandiki kurutango
yoni if it is an airport no tuni kuongerwa rieto auxiliary that's maybe baandikwa lakini I can tell you for a fact without any fear of contradiction and as a flyer na nare kunde ndakinyithia ndu gurukwe na air strip gote na airport gote mundu witharo hareo kaba kaandika wao bobonka akina bana wange utithara kwina anybody nonga muntu gwikira ndege maguta no umba kwitho hareo na most of the time inyogeta ichie mutindo kana nyogeta lewa ini bus bakwa you will find nobody there na ndio kinyathi kuno ntu nuko mikite kwina something with a flight plan mwijie for sure ndauma guntu kunange kinyana ntithira nda mauta ya kongana so nwithero mikite plan kenda muntu ure kundana ya mauta no na mayaja kugura teka ya kundanua ethero ario kenda itha kwenderia kana au kundia weketha ya company yenu you understand so anyway ntekeje ku complicate mantu mono na tukwenda mumiro understand ko kwe kinyekethera kwina employment fact ya employment yuni kiuni tio number 2 ni ile na ile most important kiuni as a pilot igi ntukegwitwa safety ndege menyeka kwa mwitone kwa isa sawa lakini gutethwa kwina ndege na gutethwa kwina mwene ndege na nyamu itithio ndege na nyoro kamatinweka kwa ndege mwitone ndege na chichiguja maitajara maingi kethro raigwa chiguja chigiokira ana igikinya nthi na ndike ja kwithira yukirite mbuga ititie na ndege yumba kugwa kemu kaneka kwa area tia Meru Polytechnic eka kwa Meru Polytechnic kaneka kwa kemu is a different story twinda no twitekaneria wi disaster na ndi kiuria kwa safety tugutega nandi to achuri atri is it really worth it eto jake manto jake safety na ndu baraba ku live around that particular whatever na ndi to kinyakire yetu tukoga safety niyo is an issue tukachoka tukena was it on Monday kana Tuesday we had an international organization no tutogire tukarona ntuto mwanka muisho no ntubwa ntuto imwe we had an international station chia news to na mania na bo charia ogeta charia if you are a pilot kwamba yinyakutha nyambere uthithia brano to the place is yani everything is correct cha kuithirwa yina airport nyate airstrip yani everything is correct and ndipeje kiri technicality cha kuria atire tukuga itukwenda muntu kendo bo kama tango haraka emugutano te wachuri atire katugwakirwo mugutano wake ore okethwo maua kinyo atenda kwijanga haraka kenda ikua so and it is even shorter inyage eta boy Isiolo kaya kwetha Isiolo kadithwe karekebishwe eta na boy Isiolo so manto ja proximity area muntu omba gwita dutangira ndeke katwitikaniria atire nonge gisaba antuba municipality aki bau bange tukaza tutubekira inta tutuba factor inyabo bejanga haraka kinyaba kyumba kenda beta na araba kitite ate so ko kura ngo ile kuga distance is not an issue ukaja kwitha itukwenda kuthithia nyomo reu distance is not an issue na te must yako au bakuga yako no yako kinya charia yeu kaguma igenda na ndia kendo ithirwa iri safer for everybody na kwithirwa at the end of the day nyatu enda ku expand no tukieni kire nya ki gazetted already ire airport actually ya street yomba kwa mwanka airport wherever they wanted to be na ndino tuki already gazetted na batiko need kinya documentation and all those kind of things bakathithia no ukatha ku queer and all those kind of things a state lodge a state lodge in my opinion na nkwenda kuthiria no ndumbaririe muno state lodge no twetikanirie it is a security zone. Security zone ikuga atia ukeja kwetha ugumba kuma aja ugeta atuge unia no tuito mije infantry school of infantry te jeshi omba gwitotonya school of infantry au kienyeji na ina ndakati yenu na tiga moyo na muntu mwake ugato kwejaga rimwe after a very very long time you ina antubenu ndakati yenu lakini it is a security zone. You can't just go and walk into the same na ndito achuri atire the other technical question ni bwiri kwithirwo ereo na iba kwenda kugita mutikenda ithirwo imituri. You see, that is a fallacy in my opinion. No ntugeta Mombasa ethirwo imituri na barari waji ete mwituni na aja bai na aja ire kitui ete mwituni kweyo kitui samoya na are ete mwituni so ina story cha muno mwanga ithirwo imituni ikwizira. Number 2 batu tutina resources cha kuita kuanda miteno ngamwaro chioro chiumagia na inyoya na kuwa na nina uchumi na kuchumia. And most of my questions actually ndikuwa directed given on to, in my opinion, he doesn't have the technical whatever, but agacho kiora kuomba. But the thing here is, jabari boba bomba ototedia kuanda miti. Inde thirikari na ambeja chiumba kuanda miti. Tukauga tutemethithia mwitune. Tukauga tutemethithia mwitune tumethithie somewhere else bande miti. Kinyabo euba kwenda kugita arafu atuandra miti iba ke state lodge somewhere else. Bachoke ba meandre miti. No kona iwi plus. Keba utu ki society plus non tu kaina mitegana lakini ugo eta waka state lodge wakengegana antu ambedro ungo kaina mite 10 ogite 5 ontigane 5 na ndio mpandire nginye 10 rega kwa after that yes.
Okay, thank you. Bana Mugabi kutokiza kiyogo state imina airstrip atwena airstrip ingi ruterene rwa mitungu atwena airstrip igaito of which indirera kwa injikware mwanke goka kuthira twena hiyo ya Isiolo ambayo ni around 52 minutes from Isiolo to Meru. But according to you, do we really to Meru, do we really need airstrip, state launch na golf course at this time? Is it a priority kiria Meru?
Thank you, Jerry. Kiure kira oria gyaku gikiega muno. Mbuga mbere ngichokia mbitikiria mbugi ojo nkigwatira ura my brother JR na my sister Bauga. Number 1 twina thirikari tikumba kuthingata sheria na sheria no yetungite yo yongo ni untu igitariria ukuthithia in development inya ugo gyakagwa kunja mbere ma ukiuga na runo kwenda gwakanja na nyombe wo gwaka mbere o miambiria sheria irio bati kwamba kuthingata kintu kia mbere no thithagia gitu kira twetaga environmental impact assessment lazima utumba gwaka uteitete kwa nama uthithiru mbere iyo requirement thirikari ikitu propose gwaka state lodge golf club na airstrip mbere menye itina environmental impact assessment report
What do you mean?
Kenda ituonia ou kwethro kwina suitability ya kuleta state lodge ya kuleta airstrip na gwaka so ni fair number 2 my brother chief of staff akuga ikethro gitu facilitate into bibi ikethro bigetu facilitate kwethia Meru City ugataka gintu sheria ira itagwa Urban and Cities Act ya 2011 ya chokaya amended 2019 section 5 is very clear ni kuenenkerete requirement na mutaratara ya kwethia an urban area a city state lodge is not a requirement, airstrip is not a requirement, golf club is not a requirement. So placed priorities na thirikari kugeria kugwata into bingi kenda twitikiria o ukwethuri bakwenda kinyaniria kiroto gya kumiethia a city. My sister akwaria mantu ja rule of law. Already ote public participation yethithirwe na sheria cie very clear. Project any ikathithwo ni thirikari itibati kuthithwa mbere ma mwananchi ati involved na bati kwa involved yathithirwo vice versa. Project ya mberia bachoka kweja utoreta public participation. No already nya bakireta public participation court ni ugete atire public participation ni kamba kuthithia atia kuthithwa mwanke gamba ria court ni rithithia atia rithira nte kwa ndotonya kedi the greatest chore ya thithirwe ni untu nya style na system ora yonde ya thithirwe it is against sheria ingi twetaga data protection data protection na privacy. Nonto chionde icheunirwe thai ameru bara baingi baunirwe sheria chiao cha data privacy bakenda gwita court antu bara bonde bari involved ke mutaratura jora jwa an illegal public participation ya ingi court they will pay them a lot of then
I want to get you clearly. Okay, akudira court inugite kinya public participation itibatere kuthithika before igamba ria court ndithira rikithira. Then public participation ira tonere kithithika ri yathithikire na authorities tiao na maoni jau inaja geta ukia akudira jatitikiri tu tayari court yethiro ikithithika.
I think my brother on behalf ya PS akombo tuchokire kiuria kiu ndu kiuni gesheria they are null and void. Maoni jara yathikirwe that day. No to jathithirwe kiutate na court order iria yariti. So they get na jatethia already jarongi ki court. Maybe my brother I wish you expected the PS ethiro aria jauju ari tuchokire kiuria kiu. Then priority, it's for me it's number one, it's not a priority in this aspect. Ugatega ningwa nthithiti assessment yakwa na mbitite ki mwito jwa nkunga jauju. Institution chionde ira chiekaga running institutions chionde ira chiekaga plus kemu school of for the deaf chionde ira go meru teachers chionde na 80% yoterire chie mugutano gwita mwanka kaga source ya rojero apanyunyaga rumete a major stream spring area adjacent na Meru Polytechnic. I've been there physically na imene na imbiche urekari niyo intake 80% ya rojero nyago ni institution in rumete aya tukwaka state road tukwaka golf. What happens to that spring? What happens kire antu baria bategemeaga kunywa ruji ru kutumira kunywa kutumira ki mahoteli kutumira ki those institutions? What is their future? Bakwa affected ka batira affected. Ikimpugire already the footing is wrong. Nonto environmental impact assessment otedhithetu nonto ketho ibathithetie bari ndio na tutipati gwaka state lodge aja ucho na golf club na airstrip nonto bokwithirwa mbi this amount of population yantu baba could depend on this major spring baka affected. Number 3 nkiongero kenda nenkirongi kaja nawe a contribute ki mantu jara jeyara kwaragia jamantu jandege ituije antwara kunde kwena mwitu ki science na ki the study of geography humidity thero eriguru na ndege iria nyingi igojaga ni untu bokwitho egitarira ikwenda kulad kana ikwenda go take off humidity eriguru kutina visibility ikagia crash na ikodho kwena a lot of humidity na uketho kwena fog area that's number 1 tije ko ba get that impact iromba ko area. Number key issue ya ndeke kaire I'm not an expert but it is from the general knowledge ndege iria nyingi igitariria igojaga areas iria kwena environment je mwito ni untu bwanyoni igitaria nyoni chietaika interfere na cabins so ibategete bo tekaboria nyoni iria cietherwa cire ndene mwito jwa nkonga ciga affect ndege ici na njira iriku nkirikiria ara tugwakirwa airstrip mwito na jwa nkonga imatanite ya njogu cietu ibaciuritie njogu ina igeta tugiciarwo na mbere tuciarwo na tuciethirite igiciarira what will happen to that
Thank you. Ruth, tukiza ke uwe urumwa wa menyeri barera. Kire thirikari itonete kinya president wetu akiwa ya kwamba by 2032 iba kwenda at least kwithira baandite around 15 billion trees na thai kwa tengero nya mtuku imwe ya gwita kuanda miti tukuboka waka off kidogo gwita kuanda miti. Do you think thirikari kwamba ku achieve target ye by no kya kwithirwa maybe kinya mitire yandi ne kugitwa kenda maybe into ya bimo byontro bikiandwa kana bikithithwo ndene mwitho na kinya kiri nyumo cia mitho yoro igwa bwana mugambi akiuria ri then inaigeta no to mwitho ya jura izonka mwitho jure around town in Meru na kuna future generation barabe jitena bakwenda trima at least twana twitiretie arenya twitite kirua batrima njunjire no batrima na maruki na mbi bethara bakiwirwa sana kwa into ya biu lakini kwa twika mwitho yetu yuka invaded into ya biu bikethra bikuma au bigwita bikuthama bigwita nangi then what happens kire batu na thirikari ri target yo no kona yakaba ka meet with that rate ya kugita mite at the same time bakiwa hantu ibande mite ni kureta in sense.
Thank you Jerry. Ni ntiaria ta mwana siasa ntiaria ja Mwario County, ntiaria ja activists, nkaria ja mtu wa mazingira. Urokarite in this field for over 20 years. Na nkurukinga ya antethia programs ya kinya through the county. Ndomba kudurwa mwanka to the national level. Na nki understand the legality. So gintu kiambere rira mantu ja kwa addressed. Itwambairie mizizine. Gintu kiambere mantu ja environment jati wakaga in void. Gintu kiambere tuina Kenya Act ya mantu ja environment and climate change 2016 na niele revised 2023. Now this act it is anchored in international laws. Ya mwisho era tuina the Paris Agreement, tuina Kyoto Protocol, tuina Montreal, all those and the Rios and the rest. And then tuijari mwanka kiri now that act. Kenya Forest Services and Department, which has policies and regulations. And they have their own mandates. And one of the mandates is to regulate and to make sure the ecosystem is conserved. The water towers on the list. Also, they do give licenses in the forest. You come into account of Meru. We have Meru Climate Change Act, which is so many people don't know. It is 2020 Climate Change Act. And it is a very shallow climate act, whereby we have the locally land climate action, where we have the WAND committees. From there, we have the planning committee. And then you have the steering committee. And when you look at all these acts, and after that, there's the provision of PCRIs, Participatory Climate Change PCRI, Participatory Climate Risk Assessment, which in Meru, I was part of it. And we realized that the answers we have, one is droughts, whereby the rivers are drying, blah, blah, blah. The other one is whirlwind, kabuvani, kabona gagagita. Ewenge floodings, ka maroje kwaraga. Newenge ni landslides, maporomoko. Na utegero na sio risk, ira tuena chio, kwena mirimu ng'ombe. Na tuena kinya mianki, ya mito kuijaga. Mbala, rira kintu kionde kinya hati kana sheria egekirwa. Irege kuthingata to the latter. Kana ananchi barege kuthitanwa kira kiendeleaga. Ikwetha kwina gap na kukethira kwina crisis. Not I believe if the Meru County government had taken an initiative to train the ward committees, which are there by the law, and they are not properly utilized or used, the community of Meru could understand better these things. If the Meru County government had taken an initiative to call the specialists and the technocrats on the table to discuss these things, all these temperatures could not be there. But for me, as a person who is in conservation, there's something we call in the forest CFA, Community Forest Associations. And who are the members? These are people who are 5 kilometers from the forest. Kuma mwitone, mwanka 5 kilometers. Mtu wonde nabatie dirali mwitone, nedire ali ina registered, kikundi ki register kiugitwa CFA. Na rira ntatu icio nthe ikwarua. Ondi omo mo member mwito na founder member na ndi mwitone. Batu itigogwa tutharari simono na tumeni mono. Nontu ikaraje ka guti community ri mwitone. Iro kiuga ntu akiuga utathura public participation, the community it was not used, itatumirwa. Well, as we know, kwigwo jo akiuga Salesi akiuga kuri ara njo gwithambairwa. Being the leader of all this, Ndolo is one of the team, the steering committee of the county. Baba ba media, we sit down in this county. Ginto kira ketura obaruet, and as we are preparing it, ni antoba the heart. Na waitorone there is need to put them in this. Even the legal people, we have a representative. But lakini notukatu etita tokeke tagate, toke formalize. So nkeja kuure kire process ya mantoja ya strip. Nara kinya bendete itate no ekirwe. But with our team na bandorothi representing us, I was not around, I was in a meeting in Mombasa. Ndego eto nda mwede thingwa nde represent ne bathiurukire. Nontwara kinya enda gwikwa tyo yari. Baleta babarabera ni onjo gwisi araira. Tutimenya gwika aja. Barasoka barabera aja nao. Ni ondo ujisieto chiumaga. Ba worio what is the best option? Aberitu itenala kalantana kamara kage chomoro kire kiria ndito giteate. Na twario uma Meru. Mito yetu ni ethirire. Tega sonko bukuga na thiririe. Te mutuma mito yetu ni ethirire kitambo. Nontu bamo politicians inkuwa bakiaria. Ta ceremony. Uko ni ceremony. Ceremony ne mwito jwagairo. Na kinyoga tamapu ne cia mwito cietu cia Kenya. Imwito jwagairo. Kiambogo there is a part gwakine anto na imwito. Twetire agweto Southiments. Majani jane nkanirwe na mitera gito na majani jarando. Icho mushungu gweto guthiria fencing. Athizirie that fencing gukinyara kiango na majani jandi barabe encroachite mwito jo bareta kotine. So nkwenda kuga kethra to address issues cia mitu. Na airstrip nambi nita mturo ya conservation. Ntatu ito tiga guciaririe kuri twambire from the root cause. No nturi mwenta antu bare arie bagakarajare ja kuri muntu bagupanish.
Now Madam Du bitikiri kuri kiuri muno ntu akondi kiro ari ruru nte waria nkuibo kiwa kwina ntu bori tu biuria yora airstrip we batere gwikwa na beta bauga ara yekirwe au yekithai te batere gwikwa yani according to boy wete gekwa au no
Are benda gwika iro beru bageka au.
Okay, so au yekithai
they said that's all right. No to nari gichomoro kiri no na hato kulita gichomoro kiu kitokianda miti kato kuthithia restoration yemitu jujwa kitoka ukwelewa but now batu bantu ba conservation siasa ikaingia muno hatukiraga nonto tokiomba utinda kugita ate tutindaga kukwanda miti tukireja kwa kinyingumba cia njogu cia nyamiria na bukiuga mwito ijo kwinyangwa maindio thai kinyanjo gwirire mwito ni gaigo kwimpara utinjo gwira gichomoro kaigo kuwa.
So according to you ara airstrip we were thai utemete gitangi
gutio kinyanjo kethira ijo mwiri thatu na miteu there is a plan ora tukamirestore na tumiongere but on the technical part of it ni ntiaria ni am not a technician kinyandere mbuga ntaguta
Okay.
But for us, we were consulted, we gave our input.
And when was that?
I think it was last year. Yeah, last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because now, kiri general public, baruga baramenyere mantu jo ija kuendelea thaira airstrip irambiriri gwakwa. Bavuka bwa consulted, then you just kept it for yourselves? Ama what really happened?
The thing is
Nondu
this.
wananchi ba Meru
Wote
bawa.
mwananchi ni ari kirongo kwira atiri, there is a society which stays in the forest.
Okay.
That is the CFA. They are registered. They are the forest users. They are inside that community. Riu ugo kethiro tenda gutonya mwitone o register as a CFA. How will you know what is happening in the forest?
Do you know kuna antenya batisi ko CFA yewe karao?
No kejo kulita nyombe kwa kwire.
Ibabu bati ko dabogita nanto because frankly speaking nya oni tha inda igua kwina ginto yake ugekara mwitone. I don't know. So I think if I don't know, then what do you expect kile mwananchi ro waandika base o kawaida bubatere kwithira bokirita na mante jamaja jaba ketha wakimenye batere gutiandikithia.
That is why we are saying in climate change and environment, media is key. And that is why in a committee, Eugene David sits in our meetings. Media is key. Because tanaru na ande ogotwita na antu bakugitate bakomenya. So the media should be in the forefront. Antu batu meme na radio nambi. Kiri mantu ja jonde. Ibabati bede bari mbere kweja na information yeriko. Na kinya county government ina responsibility. Ya ku make sure the raid procedures na antu kwina njere go insamine go kwenikai mantu kiri community. Na kinya the national government. In a responsibility.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you sana Madam Ruth. Tukachoka kiwa kaire Bana Herrick tukiza kiwa aitugitwe Tora Chief of Staff ibiru akiwa kwina mantaja maingi jara jagatethua kana antu bagatethua kana yokumani na into bibionde nibetwe ikwethirite kwina mantaja ituvire ngaba neto akiwa by the way Nyamira ikethairwa igikamatwa na ndege. Unibu meta nara mira you made and I was so happy because now mira anto akuthugira barabarene igakamatwa na ndege mbio inafika Nairobi. That's a good thing, right? Kethra ni mantu ya mankiu kuigirwa tukethra okay. But now the question is ira ni airstrip. Kwina ndege ikethairwa tirungio like uraomba watu ura chifu akugaira unakimbizwa hapo haraka haraka ugeta hospitali kana maybe kethari miraje eu antu bathirie kugukota miraje ona ara nini bakareta au mbio igeta kana what will happen because antu batiko understand
Ibwaga kanchokie bere kuchokiria capic from where Ruth area na are part of barabo no ba invuito mitone how confirm there is gap in terms of mantuja kuendelea akora mdirikari ya county because it doesn't care to communicate what is happening na demo mwananchi ati part of involvement ya mwananchi kile mantuja kudithwa ijati jena gap nene muno au confirm weaknesses ira cheku na agwika naro mwito jwathirire na ketho wengo na kumenya mwito jwathirire no part of mwito na no mostly ngugicha icha mwito then why then government ikwenda kujikinya karakatiere probably the primary focus ire particularly in thirikari onali ya confirm as a stakeholder that mwito jwathirire I think rehabilitation in particular part of investment ire nene antu wakaya sleep the resources available but kutubira ku rehabilitate mwito at least tuchokeria ara kuga ijwathirire see ko katwitikanirie kwako kwa airstrip oni atongere bakwaria nanti kwenda kuongera not what time but I feel interest ile tumite airstrip nya yakwa it's purely money and resource. You see the department ito na chuchi na mbecha now someone decide wacha nione venye itatumika before mwaka ishe. I think because there is no way you will what the project jere obakwa without interests at play very fast security nene mono before even ananchi bamenya public participation na inya kuthira kwina report ya kuona ni the benefit kana effect ya kuthira airstrip jewirio ithiri karaja ka kwina interest chat play. Number 2 ni kwina culture twina yo aza atongire baratu na bo that no mwanka ndikano kuunda thithia si lazima nitafute kitu kufanya kenda at least Meru amenyati whether I'm PS or someone that kuunda thithirie without even factoring consequences kana outcome not purely ugatekera department ri ikaraga they purely especially when appears ningu kurigara muno na tante mwithire na ruaja kujitenya ni mure biuria but non to bokwithoro ai wewe ngo na ije it was purely for interest, either personal gain kana interest at play ingi nonto utembo mbera cheupe that with such magnitude a project kote report there is no viability ya juu nonto na culture yengetu nayo ni kumbura when project chambiria kuitwa mtu akeza kuga tutumira milioni magana zaidi first ama developer utembo mbera kuthithiria quote kwa kanyomba na no mwanka kwa dithie ndiguru na kutarire cost chionde na kumbere kala viable lakini utumba kumbera mpakira nyomba milioni igana right utumbo mbiro no mwanka mbambe kuthithirie report na quote nkwe na kwire ure kethirwa kuringana na design ro kwenda na benefit ro kwenda ku either their benefit cha individual in terms of monetary nonto ukona muskumo jwa ura yaki na ura kwari na security nene ku anto bategete kone imbe kwendelea na kiburi nene mono it tells their personal gains kurukinya ya benefit ya project iratu nacho na niyo thirikari ri gutwa igotuma antu baigo maruru no ntu bakuthora is no way umba sheria ite reverse utumbo metumira wambe udithia makosa with your correct. There is no way umba kuthithia what my brother I explained in terms of the legal beyond the beauty with kuchoki kiuri gyaku. I feel also that our governor tekomenya mbie kwa area a brief because the way I could pronounce you also sit down Okoria. Is really the governor or Meru is really aware of what is imbi work kwa airstrip. There's no mbera nande mera ga kibizawa na ka airstrip ka engineer mwe ma karada engineer mwe no mbera uno mera kara jera ko explain very well from the technical part that iro te anto pakedro be standby betere te patuirite kana office chiri au cha ku receive into what I feel it's either the Ricari county, it's part of this, but they are aware because at the end of the day when a governor speaks like that, you wonder na we mwananchi wa kawaida na from away uramantu za kuendelea ukarigwa either people want to kuga it was kumire it wetirinto I was part of with ya airstrip I was part of any turenda kuona structures still associated na uwe but in reality things are itekuitania na ito kuona stakeholders bakukalile fakuwa mwito hizo adirire ito biadirire ibo baijibongo na raba propose ite kwa kawantu the ko cheupe to me I feel kwina gap nene mono kiri utongire buratu nabu na bakethora mtu na karandi kurwa kathikira miarire ita na reality then nyawe omba kuthuro huwa aichoka either gakwenda kusifu mtu fulani but to ute benefit omba kwa clue kireo itugere state road is really a protected area katuge for example why state road chakawa igitara state road chakawa history ni tuonania utare na facilities cha ku handle atongeria ara presidential peta kutrimana michemano na area au yakawa na majani tuondele kwa na facility mutongeria vai deputy president na president pakeja but igitarere kanyuma gutare na facility utiri kwa konande nambi lakini nande na tukura tuite Singapore I don't know kadanya kwena now prime minister gwitikia karakwawe non tobacco costs we have an issue of cost also. We have an issue of priorities chia Momeru. Ekaja kuthura tukwenda kwa jo my brother kuga tukwenda kwa city. Issue ya kuthura kwena roje kwena dam yako mwito na damu hicho. Ekaja kuthura nya mbechi gutumira kwa si nara. Ekaja kuthura ichi ku part of kuskuma dam ile bua turare na shortage ya roje town hizi. Tukara town hii ande tunya roje ya shift. Miuro yetu ne nyadere ni tukwenda kuthirinya miture yetu nayo. Ko to me I feel thirikari yetu nayo priority chao chi right na ingwe kitu mekuona bari kando muno na mwananchi akithora na maroro nkuruki bako thoro manza to kuendelea jo na kuona stakeholders bakuga na ba confirm technical antobara tukubatetheria na manza batukwenda bathingatira no ntukuthora for benefit chao chiongwa.
Okay, thank you. ingotike tuketha tukijukia some few questions. The first set of questions kiri antu baire bathatu before tuendelea. Wana Mutharimi ntikumenya ni mtu riko ina kiuria na please ori kiuria mbera kire uko direct kiuria kiu kenda ucokeria haraka haraka mbere tutakanya muno. Okay.
Very rich ani enda kwariria akari aja no dimenti akaireke ndo very balanced no to mbigoro mandesha sipe jarirwa and one of the committee members ada committee in the Yureki Kenene, you're the environmentalist Augere, the Community Forest Association, nere involved abari kyokoeja na an alternative na rabwe na kantana. But Kyoria, ire airstrip, state lodge, echejere kwa priority. Nonto menya wakeja okorua me kire kambere to bat kumya when is it a priority so kiorua re ina ekuikwa nonto ninde mukari aja to ina more pressing issues na kaire they very appraised to the Urban and Cities Act or Sales Ugere utena ere prerequisite that kwetha kwa city to bat kwetha to ina a state lodge a golf course na kiwa gau they represent wendo kwa akari kire thirikari irio ntote akari baithra bandete thirikari no ntutwere government is a government for the people by the people gutero antu baithra bana thina na thirikari either county government tumendete muno national government tumendete muno na kira tukwende maendeleo ya kinyanira no ntubwetu tinontu babaraba itene. So my big question kire thirikari choijire na kejaje nkone tendege KWS kilandi kaga nkuite together PS aja ture akari aja to ina promises na ningwa ndi presented akari kege karo kire garo deputy president Karen to Kaire state house na priorities ira chareo itu ite tuna dio courage kuma aja ikomene ikinye monka out to Kiriro. That conversation is not there anymore. Itu ariti che barabara iligo connect Nyaki West ikauna monka Ntima East West ikomba kwa ikianansa connectivity aja indi from nowhere around last year na ndito change it to conversation yetu kire a state lodge golf iran kuga niti teka chi priority ndoku chi projects ndoku but katuko diverted as a community so ndenda kumenya kethe public participation enjeru tigera twathithire Karen era twathire state house kethithiru engi change priorities chetu akariba North Imenti. So that is my big question. Na tukiwaga teka tuna thina ya maendeleo indi turenda nyajara jangi tuna pata najo jathithika mbere turetura maendeleo jangi ja meru jara public participation itukomba kwa campus community onde nonto yes CFA very important na kinyapo baketha bata involve bwega baretora bena issue with this development kwena more stakeholders kiri weti na mbere non turandira to kinyamantu ja muito ja to affect only the people living 5 kilometers from the forest forest ere serve kinyabara by kilometers down non tundujire kuma no chiruma chitete kote the other communities but now the question is just to the county government, chief of staff akomba gucokia tumenya priorities ici cia change rere onto as far as I'm concerned as a community twina more pressing issues zaidi jau tatu.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. So,
Okay, gwega no tubwaria babonde baria. Yeto mbitawa Catherine Kanake kuma Abothugushi West and a politician. The mutongeria wa ekuru kiama kia no peu. What I wanted to say is that project Ishonde, hiji tujeta kundiscusia na arua, ranging from state road, airstrip, golf, ingwete kiote mokario meru, wina thina nacio. Kira anto bena thina na kio, maybe it's the process or the procedure. Na mono gintu ja airstrip, eke ya kwethirwa kithiwa in good faith na state road tutemaindi. But are they being done in good faith? Ta uria Patricia ugire mukario miru ategete uria ikuthithua na uria gugwita na rwiro ruria rurio igakarajia kaitu kuthithua in good faith. Kiuria gikeja uju kwi mantu Saresia ariririe cha maingi muno gukiarua mbere itwije mantu ja jonde jaithika kwina a lot of advantages iu tutikurega nacio. At the same time kwina disadvantages cia gukiria the forest. Teu kwi mantu ja maingi muno jariririe Saresio na buria ndaigua bwa Andreswa Madam Ruth ari environmentalist ibo mwaki address issue ya elephant maternity. Ende Saresio na kulitie mantu ja mengi ja biodiversity, it is going to be interfered with. Ntera igwe kia rirua na kwaritie mantu ja pollution kumania na ndege, maybe maguta, waste na inya noise. Yeah. Antu bara baketha bari around na